Ideas for relaxing gardens in your home. 1. Create a garden with several uses. Have you got a sizable outdoor gardening area? Then, by giving it multiple uses, you can maximize its potential. This can be accomplished by incorporating a number of areas that support your favorite hobbies or best forms of relaxation. 2. Employ soft lighting. Did you know that lighting can improve your ability to unwind? Bright lights are fantastic for warming, dim lights can help you go asleep, and natural light can help you combat depression. While twinkle lights give you a cozy feeling, bright lights can help you focus. 3. Take it indoors. Even those without access to outside space can benefit from having a garden's many advantages. Who said your garden had to be outside, though? If you don't have a yard or your landscape doesn't allow for a relaxing garden, you can bring it inside. 4. Recognize that seasons change. Your garden trees will start to lose their foliage as winter draws closer. Fortunately, this doesn't preclude you from utilizing your gardens to their full potential as the seasons change. 5. Maintain the classic Zen garden. There is no denying that gardening reduces anxiety. However, if the conventional Zen gardens offer the best comfort, you don't need to go all out to make your garden more tranquil. This style of garden has a cool atmosphere that you'll adore thanks to the sand, wood, rock, gravel, and other characteristics. If you need more information, just click the link below the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.